So today I am going to draw this solid object. The dimensions are in millimeter. So I am selecting the working directory where I want to save my file. Now I am selecting it. It has been selected. Now I will go for new. I will give the name of the model, which is part 11, and now I will not use the default template and pressing OK. We will use the millimeter option, millimeter part solid. Okay, and now I will select the sketching plane. So it's taking some time. Yes, so I will go for the sketch option right here, selecting the top plane, sketch, and I'm going for the sketch view. Now from the drawing we can see that the rectangle is of length 120 and the breadth is 80. So I will draw a rectangle of that dimension, and I will try to match the center of the rectangle with the center of the two axes. So I am changing the dimension as 60, and the dimensions of the width is 80, and I will place it at the center. So I will give the dimensions half of 80, which is 40. Now I will press OK and go for the extrude option. The height is I will have to see that the height is 15. So I will change the extrusion length as 15 and go for OK. So the extrusion has been done. I want to sketch the circle on this top plane. I'm going for the sketch view, selecting the circle and the center, and the dimensions will be 80 because the width of the rectangle surface was 80, and the dimension and the diameter of the circle is also 80. Now there is a the height of this cylindrical surface is 20, so I will go for 20. Now there is a hole of diameter 60 on this top surface, so I will go for circular and I will check the dimension. The diameter is 60 of the hole, and the height is 15. So I will change the dimension of this circle as 60, and we'll go for the extrusion. I will extrude it back. The default will automatically take it as remove material, and I will change the height as 15. Okay, it has been done. Now there is a through hole. Now there is a through hole of diameter 30. So I will have to sketch it on this surface. Go for sketch. We'll go for the sketch view and then the circle. We'll select the center and change the dimension as 30. And I will have to extrude it. As it is a through hole, we'll have to go for material removal and this option, which is the option for through hole. Now the hole has been made. Now we need to sketch on this bottom plane, and what we need to draw is this there is a rectangle of length 80 and a breadth of 20. So the length of the rectangle is already fixed. We just need to give the breadth of the rectangle like this. Now I will go for the dimension and change the breadth as 20. Similar rectangle is to be drawn at this side. It will the default will automatically take it as the equivalent rectangle, or should I say the same rectangle. Now we need to specify the height of extrusion, which should be 55 minus 15 because we are drawing from the bottom plane and not from the upper plane. The height of the center from the upper plane is 55, so from the bottom plane should be 55 minus 15, which is 40. So I'm giving the extrusion height as 40. It is done. So we need to draw the circular part. The diameter should be equal to 80 because the circle seems to be tangent at both the surfaces. So I will go for reference. I am selecting the edges of the rectangular surface as references. It might help. So it is not getting selected from this side. Now okay, yes. So the center is selected, and the diameter is 80. I'll go for extrusion in the backward direction, like this, and the extrusion will be of 20 because the rectangle was of thickness 20. So the circle has been done. Now I need to draw the same thing on the other side. So what will I do? I will copy this circle by clicking on this sketch 6. Yes, I need to exit from this extrude view. Sorry. Yes, yes, I need to copy this sketch 6 like this, and I will insert it here with the help of Control V. The sketch has been inserted. I will select the plane, and yes, and now sketch. The circle is there. I will place it anywhere on the surface and then specify the center. Yes, as you can see, the dimensions are 2.42 and 7.52 respectively. I will change it to 0 and 0, which will place the circle at the desired location. Yes, 0, and yes, you can see the circle has been relocated at our desired location. Now I need to extrude it. So we can also copy the extrude option from extrude 6, like this, copy and insert there with the help of Control V. And what I need to do here is to select the circle. When the circle will be selected, the extrude option will automatically be selected like this. So now as you can see, the extrusion has been done. Now the only thing left is that I need to draw the circular part. The reference is selected as a circular arc, so that I can specify the center point. I will change the dimension of the circular hole as 30, like this. Now I will have to extrude it all the way with the help of material cut. Default is taking it that way. This is the option of through hole, and boom, the object has been created. And now you can save it on your computer wherever you want. Thanks for watching.